Okay, buddy, as you're able to see on here, I have your chat in here. Right now, the transfer of WP of WordPress is getting downloaded into this file. As you can see, here are the files that are getting transferred. Right now, we are on getting transferred the WP content plugins, as you can see in here. Okay, so there we're good. On the other side, on the SQL file, I have the cPanel from the previous people. Let me look for it. Where is it? Here is a database from the previous people. So what I did is that I get into here, then export, then quick method, continue, and then I got downloaded this, but I still do not know if this file is the one that we need. This file, I get into this folder, which is a database. This one, I have my SQL program installed on my computer, but I still do not know how to use it at all. Let's say that I'm an advanced user that know how to do some things and do not get lost if you guide me to do something, but I'm not a pro doing this stuff. So what I want to know is what to do with this file. I already opened my Bluehost PHP my admin. So if I'm not wrong, I don't know if I just need to do import and just get the file and then import it to it, and then later on assign the SQL file on it. Since you send something, please set a backup of the WordPress website, including database SQL file, and log into the file manager of Bluehost account. Create a new database using my SQL database option and import database SQL file to the new database created. Update the database details on the WP config file to sync the database. You will be able to see. Okay, I will look at the tools. I'm sending you something. Okay, so I will close this cast